Residents of Quezon City who were excluded from the national government's social amelioration program will be given cash aid. The City Council has passed another supplemental budget totaling 1.9 billion pesos. Beneficiaries of the Kalingang QC program will receive 4,000 pesos. QC Mayor Joy Belmonte said all needy families who have been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic deserve to receive financial assistance. On April 17, DBM released the 479 million peso fund for the second supplemental budget, which will be used for the purchase of relief goods. Included in the 1.43 billion peso third supplemental budget are 750 million social amelioration program, 200 million hazard pay for barangay frontliners, 150 million Kalingang QC financial assistance, and 280 million relief goods.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.